Welcome back, friends. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious stir fry using simple vegetables. All I need is zucchinis, carrots. I'm also going to be using a capsicum, bell pepper, and I'm also going to be using Chinese cabbage or Napa cabbage. You could use the regular cabbage if you want to, and one white onion. So let's get started. Now this is going to be a non-vegetarian stir fry, which means I'm also going to be using, along with my vegetable, some meat. Choice of meat today is beef. So I have lean beef with me, which I'm going to cut them into small cubes and use. Alright, so let's get started how to make my stir fry. So I've gone ahead and prepped up all my ingredients that I need for my stir fry. I've cut my carrots, I've got my capsicum, zucchini, my white onion. There I've got my shiitake mushroom, which is soaking in water, my Napa cabbage, and the choice of meat that I'm going to be using today is beef. There you go. Here's beef. I've sliced it thinly, and of course ginger garlic. So let's begin. I'm going to first go ahead and heat up my vessel that I'm going to cook my stir fry in. As you can see now, the pot is nice and hot, and also the oil. We'll first add my my beef. Now keep in mind that the meat that I'm using for this dish is just for flavoring. The main ingredient are the vegetables. So the meat can be, you can play around with the type of meat that you're using. Sometimes seafood is also, appropriate that you can use. Most of the time people use chicken or pork, but I'm going to be using beef today. Now once this beef browns up, I'm going to add all the sauces. Alright, it's slightly brown now, my meat. First thing I'm going to put is oyster sauce. 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. The next ingredient I'm going to use is Chinese cooking wine. A little bit of dark soy, now I'm going to allow this soy sauce, this cooking wine, and the oyster sauce that I added to dry up and then add my vegetables. Now as you can see now, the liquid has evaporated. Before I add my vegetables, I'm just going to add a little bit of seasoning, which means if I add seasoning, I don't need to add salt, pepper. All the ingredients required to season my food is already in my seasoning powder. Look, that's my super seasoning powder. Okay, I'm going to start with shiitake mushrooms. Do not throw the water away. I'm going to be using that as my soup. It already smells so yummy. Now after my shiitake mushroom, I'm going to add my carrot, zucchini, onion, make sure you use a bigger pot so that all your vegetable fits inside, and mix it well with my beef and the sauces that I've used. So appetizing. If you like it spicy, you can add a little bit of green chili as well. Well seasoned. I'm going to add the mushroom stock. Now I'm going to allow it to boil for some time. Let it simmer for about 2 minutes, and then I'll add my Napa cabbage. Well, as you can see now, my vegetables have started boiling. Last, I'm going to add my Napa cabbage. Mix it nicely. Doesn't it look so fresh and appetizing and so simple to make? You do not have oyster sauce, you can just use soy sauce. If you do not have Chinese cooking wine, you could use regular brandy if you want, the doctor's brandy. If you do not want to use alcohol, don't use alcohol. So this dish is very versatile, you know, you can play and mix around things as you want. So my vegetables are all cooked now. I do not want to overcook all my vegetables. All I'm going to do now is make a nice thick sauce over it by adding cornstarch. So here you go. I'm going to add my cornstarch little by little. See? So my veg stir fry is all ready. I'm going to now turn off the gas. Please make sure that you subscribe if you like my dish. I'm sure you will like it. But make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like the dish by pressing the like button. Further on, please remember not to forget to click on the bell icon, because bell icon will notify you about my next recipe that I add on my channel. So I hope you enjoy this stir fry, which is so simple to make, and I'm sure you will love it. Especially your family will love. If you like Chinese food, I'm sure you will love this dish. Not very oily as well. So here you go, my stir fry vegetables with beef is ready. I'm serving it with steamed rice in my eating bowl. As you can see, there's also another dish that I've shown you at the side, which is a tomato based chicken ball gravy. If you want to know more about that, I will come up with that recipe. Put in your comments if you do want to see the entire recipe. Yeah, they're chicken balls with shiitake mushrooms. Okay then, I'm now going to enjoy my meal, my stir fry vegetable with the steamed rice, and my chicken ball with tomato gravy and shiitake mushrooms. See you next time. Please do subscribe to my channel. If you like the recipe, please also click on the like button and make sure that you click on the bell icon as well, so that you get my future recipes. Alright? Thank you so much for watching again. Please do subscribe to my channel, and I will be more than happy to show you more recipes which are easy and delicious. Okay then, don't forget to put your comment if you want to see the next recipe, which is the chicken ball and the tomato gravy. See you next time. Goodbye.